God. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Imani and I'm a huge fan of magical girl anime and its items and goods. If this is your first time here, this is a new type of video for me. It's going to be my first review and unboxing video, and it's really exciting because today's item is an Ojamajo Doremi item, and it's really fitting considering my username and my name across all social media. Ojamajo Doremi is pretty much my favorite anime of all time. So if it is your first time here, I hope you enjoy what I have coming today. So today's item that I'm going to be opening is the Ojamajo Doremi Patissier Diary Accessory book. As quoted from the English description on Big Bad Toy Store, from the magical Doremi anime series comes an adorable jewelry accessory case in the shape of a patissier diary. Measuring around 7 inches, this case opens and features plastic hooks to hang necklaces or other accessories and can close with a clasp on the side. For those watching who might not know the show, the Patissier Diary is used in season 3 of Ojamajo Doremi. That's Moto, Ojamajo Doremi. And the girls use the Patissier Diary to keep track of recipes that they gather as they're taking the Patissier exams in that season. And this is so cool because Doremi doesn't always get a lot of life-size replicas of the items that are on the show. They will have gacha and smaller mini items made, but it's not often that they have like real life-size replicas. Don't even get me started on the proplicas because we know they are out there, but they just haven't released them. So it's really nice to get new merchandise that's essentially a life-size replica of an item in the show. It's even more exciting that this has an everyday use. You can use it for your jewelry and you can use it for your accessories, and I think that's really neat and really cool. So I'm really excited to see how this looks in real life. The Patissier Diary accessory book was announced back in February of this year, 2022. Pre-orders ran for a couple of months back then, and then the orders shipped out in September of 2022. It retailed at about 5,500 yen, which at that time was about $50 US. And I actually did not pre-order this from Bandai. I was on the fence about it when I'd seen it, and I decided to just go ahead and get it. But the way that I was able to get it was through Yahoo Japan auctions. So I used a proxy in order to get this. It is new, it's unopened, hasn't been tampered with, so this is still going to be a brand new item. The proxy service that I used was Zen Market. They are excellent. I've had nothing but good experiences using them, so they were able to bid on this for me, and I was able to purchase it through them and get it in a very reasonably quick amount of time. And it's been in my room for like a month, so I'm really excited to open it and see what it looks like. It was also packaged very nicely. It came in this box with bubble wrap and newspaper. I got a couple of other items at the same time, I think, but Zen Market is always good about their packaging. I always really like using them. But enough of the information part. Now let's get to opening this. Is it upside down? Let's get to opening the Ojamajo Doremi Patissier Diary accessory book. That is a lot of words. I'm also gonna switch camera angles so this can be seen better. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, you guys, I am really glad that I was able to figure out this camera angle because with my tripod and stuff, I didn't know if I could do this, but it worked. So this is the box. It actually did not come in this plastic, or I mean, it's not sold in this plastic. This plastic is because Zen Market repackaged it. I decided to keep it on just until I could make this video. So here it is. Also, excuse the band-aid. My nails looked so nice, and then I broke 2 nails and caught my finger on the drawer, so oh well. So I'm just gonna open this. I'm not too worried about this plastic because it was just packaging plastic. It's also my first time talking during an unboxing of my own, so this is interesting. The box comes like this, as you can see. That says Ojamajo Doremi Patissier Diary Accessory Book. I wonder which side I should open it from. Maybe here. I don't know which is top and which is bottom. Seems like it opens from the side, so open it this way. Now let's see what it looks like. Ooh, okay, there's tissue paper. Oh my gosh. It's already so cute. Oh, it says Moto on it. It says Moto on it. It lets you know that this is from Moto, the 3rd season of Doremi. Okay, let's see how carefully I can remove this from. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cute. Can you see this? Can you see this? Oh, it's so nice that it comes in tissue paper as a protective outside. I'm a new collector, so I don't know all of the preferred methods of opening things. I know that some people prefer to open items from the bottom. Some people like to keep stuff like the tissue paper, but like, look, it's already ripping. Like, I'm trying to be careful, but it's not working. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's beautiful. That is so cute. It has the Bondi logo on it. It says Patissier Diary Accessory book on it. And this adorable illustration of Doremi with a macaron. I love it. I love that the box has detailing because they really didn't have to do that. They didn't have to make the box look pretty. They could have just put it in the brown cardboard box, but they put effort into the packaging, which I really, really appreciate. Here's the back. You can see the Toei animation sticker. It's gold, letting you know that it's the official item and it's from Japan. A bunch of other warnings. It tells you what it's made out of. Here is the top of the box, which lets you see the inside a little bit. That's interesting. Yeah, so it looks like this opens from the sides. And that's so cute. Oh my god. I love how it says Moto on it. I also love that the back has the 20th logo on it. I think that's such a cute logo. And it says 2022, letting you know which year it was, which year it was made in. All right, now let's open it up. Like I said, people have preferences, but this seems like you can only open it from the side, and I'm gonna do a tiny little knife cut. Oh my god, I don't want to rip or tear or scratch the box. Okay, let's open it. Oh geez. Okay. Why am I struggling so much? This is unbelievable. Oh, I love how it has the colors of the girls on here with these little gumball pieces. Yay. Okay, and we are taking it out. Ooh, they put this in real well. Why am I struggling? Oh no! Look at that rip. I hate that, but let me just try and remove this nicely. There we go, okay. Okay, all right. It sucks that I accidentally ripped that a little bit, but it is what it is. Here's the plastic that it comes in. I will remove this. Just throw that to the side. And here, oh my gosh, is so pretty with its shiny paint. It's kind of glistening if you can see. Yeah. The paint that they chose to use is kind of metallic, so it's shiny and it's really, really pretty. It's the bind of the accessory book. It's actually smaller to hold than I thought it would be. I thought it would take up more room on the shelf, but I don't think that it would. It's actually a really nice little sized accessory book. And here's the clasp. And let's see how to open this. There we go. There we go. I saw this. I knew it had this, but I think that's so cute. Ugh. Sprinkling the magic and wishes onto the baked goods that they're making. That's so cute. And it's inscribed Ojamajo Doremi. It's interesting that they're using like the romanji of Ojamajo Doremi. I think that's cool. And here are the hooks that you can put your accessories on, and they're shaped like hearts. And I think it's so adorable. Wouldn't that just like look nice on a shelf? And you could either have it lying down like this, closed in such a way, or you could have it open like that, and I think that's adorable. And I have some necklaces that I'm going to see if they fit. Actually, they're like long necklaces, so I don't know if they're gonna probably touch the ground or touch the shelf, but let's see. Okay, so I brought a few accessory pieces to see if they can fit onto, let me start over. So I brought a few accessory pieces to see if they can match nicely with the accessory book. And these got all tangled in the 2 seconds that I've had them. Okay, I have some necklaces, I have a couple rings, earrings, and then this is like a kind of gigantic necklace. I can already tell it's not going to work, but we'll see. So these are the rings, and I will set them here. That's so cute. Okay, earrings. Nah, it's probably just these earrings in general. They're kind of bigger, so the bigger earrings probably don't work. Let's see if a necklace this size will work. This one is also pretty long, but you can still hang a necklace here nicely so it doesn't get tangled, you know? But I'm gonna remove this one, and this is actually 3 necklaces in one, so I'm gonna place one here. Oh, it seems like all the necklaces are pretty long for this. So it said that you can use this for accessories, you can use this for keychains. I've seen people use it for keychains. I've seen people use it for gacha, the gacha of Ojamajo Doremi. So it works. I mean, I'm going to use it for these necklaces anyway because the thing that I have them on is not very practical. And this is one of the, wow, this is so huge. But it looks so nice with the rings. And I wouldn't really, it's so gigantic. I wouldn't really use the larger one for this. So I'm gonna use my necklaces for it as well as the rings that I have. That's cute. I actually really like that with the rings. I'm probably gonna, honestly, I might just use this all for my rings. I should also not forget to mention that this is not battery operated at all. There are no sounds, no bells, no whistles. It's just an accessory book. And that's pretty fine. I mean, I would love if they made something from the show that would have those bells and whistles. I know that they have toys of these made already, so, but you know, it's nice to have like an updated version to show that, you know, there's still fans and there's still people who enjoy the show and that remember the show. Ugh, which is why I keep talking about the paprika, but that is cute. I really like this. I think the thing to consider about a lot of items is the fact that you have to think about where they go. So I think it's going to stay on this dresser of mine. I do have an idea for a shelf in my room, but I don't have that right now. So for now, it's just gonna stay on the dresser. And I thought, oh my god, it's so cute. Ugh. I'm obsessed with this and how it looks. I really like this. I think it's so cute. Tell me what you guys think, how you would use the Doremi accessory book, and comment down below, reach out. I love to see what you guys think. Now I'm gonna change the camera angle back around. What do you guys think of the Ojamajo Doremi Patissier Diary accessory book? Do you think it's cute? Do you think it's a waste of money? Tell me your honest opinion. I think it's really important to be honest about products like this so companies know what fans want in the future. I personally think it's really cute. For the $50 range, that might be a little bit pricey, but it is a collectible item. It is for collectors who are fans of the show, who grew up with the show, who love to see replicated items from the show. I think it's really cute, and I like how it will look on my dresser. I think it's adorable. I keep saying that, but it's just true. I love how they don't get tangled because they're all hanging on their individual hooks. Oh, that's great. I love this. If you're considering getting a Patissier Diary accessory book of your own, I recommend a couple of ways. The first is using the secondhand market. That's Yahoo Japan Auctions, Mercari Japan, Rakuten. There are listings for the Patissier Diary there, and a lot of them are brand new. It just depends on the listing itself. I paid like $10 over retail. Also, just keep in mind that you'd have to pay proxy fees, which usually aren't too bad, and then the international shipping fee, which varies. The second way you can get the accessory book is, and I mentioned them before, is on Big Bad Toy Store. Now, their listing is double the retail price. However, Big Bad Toy Store has flat rate shipping of $4 no matter what the cost of the item. So it's really just up to you how you'd like to purchase it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give a thumbs up down below. I'd really appreciate it. It would really help out my channel as I'm just starting it. And if you enjoy content like this, be sure to subscribe as well, because I have more items coming really in the first like 3 months of the year next year, and I'm really excited to open them up and see them. And if you'd want to see that, go ahead and subscribe, because it'll be on my channel. The next video that's going to come out is probably going to be my Sailor Moon Season 1 review, and I'm really excited about that. I've been working on it for a couple of months now, and that's probably going to be the next one. So you should also subscribe if you're interested in reviews such as those. I have unboxings coming, and it's gonna be fun in the next year. And if you'd like to reach out to me or see what I'm doing, you can follow me on all my social media. I'm Dore Imani everywhere. I have Twitter and Instagram and TikTok and even Facebook, and I have different content on all of those. So be sure to follow, and I will message you back if you message me. I will leave the links for my socials down below. But that is all I have today for this video. Have a happy new year. Be safe and have a great rest of your day. Bye guys, thanks for watching. I'm mad that I ripped that box a little bit. It was such a tiny rip, but like, oh my god, like it didn't have to happen. It just, whatever. It's just the box. It was this big. It's just the box. The collector in me is coming out, I guess.